Have you ever wanted your dead animal bits to come in a can? Well, that may soon be a possibility because I have teamed up with the Color Forge and 7 other creators to come up with 8 new color primers. And this is my entry into the series. And of course it had to be dead animal bits. It may sound like an odd choice for a name, but it is actually the perfect description for what it's best used for. The dead or undead bits of your miniatures. It's a creamy off-white colour with just a tiny hint of red in there. If you're familiar with Games Workshop's Rakarth Flesh, Army Painter's Draketooth, or the Tooth and Coat's Griffin Claw, then you'll find dead animal bits to be a great match. But it's not just a good colour to use when you're looking to quickly and easily paint up your legions of skeleton warriors and zombies. It's also a perfect starting point for your lighter paint schemes, especially if you intend to use things like contrast paints or speed paints over the top of it. Its light tone allows those strong pigments to do their thing without washing out the colour like a pure white would. Now, it might not be a particularly bright or super interesting colour, but Dead Animal Bit's strength is that, well, it's a workhorse paint. And what I mean by that is it can be used as a basis for so many different projects. Whether you're looking to expand the ranks of your undead armies, paint up some pale armoured space marines, tackle some World War II desert uniforms, or maybe just quickly prime some scenery, well, Dead Animal Bits is a perfect tool to keep to hand. If you'd like to get your hands on a different type of liquid death, then you can check out the Kickstarter, which I've linked below, and help bring this project to life. But as I mentioned earlier, Dead Animal Bits isn't the only paint available in the Signature series. Hellstorm Wargaming has Reliquary Red, Peachy Tips has Peachy Peach, Midwinter Minis has Midwinter Ice, Rogue Hobbies has Rogue Pink, Siege Studios has Siege Armor, Tabletop Tactics has Ashen Grey, and finally Chapter Master Valrak has Valrak Yellow. You can pick up all of these through the Kickstarter and even bag yourself a few discounts along the way. So follow that link below and get your hands on some excellent spray paints.